It does when I have to come and talk
No,
with
you have
guys.
no authority over my rights.
But this isn't about that. I need to come and talk to you about your
Okay,
child.
you can come talk to me.
And that's why we're here.
I don't have to tell you anything.
Okay, that's fine.
Right? Now, the
I
thing
still-
about it is,
I still have to
how
try to
much
talk to you.
further are you going to go with this to where I may have to sue you personally, because you're encroaching on my rights?
I have to take it as far as I can to ensure the child's safety. If I feel he's safe, then that's where it is.
So
But
again,
if
this
not,
is my son who I created.
that's fine.
No, that's the truth. It's not that it's fine. I know the speech that you guys have to talk in order to engage us. I get it. We've been dealing with you people for the past 4 months. So if you really care about my son, because I know you don't even know him. You don't even know who he is.
You're right, and that's why
I
I'm
know.
here to talk to
So
you
hear
about
me,
who
hear
he
me,
is.
hear me. If you care about my son, then you go ahead and go on your way. Because
can't
what you're
do that.
doing right now is impeding on my right to privacy with my family, period.
If you've been dealing with us, then you know I can't just walk away.
Yeah,
until
actually you
I'm
can,
sure.
because you're
Are
open
you
to the
gonna let me finish
Constitution.
speaking, or are you going to keep
Actually, I'm
talking
not,
over
because
me?
your policy is going to make you think that your policy holds more than my rights. And you've sworn yourself to the Constitution, which is the supreme
I've only
law
ensured that I'm here
of the land.
to protect children. That's my
I
job.
understand what your job is. Unfortunately,
So
your
can you
job
tell me what your game plan
has
is for
you
when
pri-
Corey
I
comes
just
home?
told you
Are you
that
gonna
that's
keep
my
him on
right to my
medication?
privacy.
Are you going to keep him
Did
on
you hear what I said?
medication?
Did you hear what I said?
I did. I'm asking you
Okay,
questions
so that means
now.
I don't have to answer any of
You
your
don't,
questions.
but I'm still going to ask them.
Okay.
You can choose not
Now
to
I'm
answer.
asking you to leave,
And then
because I'm
I'm
not going
gonna-
to answer any of your questions.
Then I'm going to inform you. If I don't have a game plan, know what your game plan is. I am
You
going to
don't
have to
have
reach
to
out
know
to the
my game
DA's
plan,
office.
because again, it's my rights to
You're
my
right.
family.
And
So
then
if you
so
talk
I'm
to the
going to
DA's
inform you
office,
of what's going
damn
on.
it, this is unfortunate, because I bet you the two of you are probably halfway decent people. I bet
Maybe
you
if
you
you
are.
sit down and actually have
No,
a
I don't have
conversation.
to. No,
instead of doing
I'm
all
having a
this.
conversation with you.
No,
Because I know
you're
my
just
rights.
going to talk over
I
it. You're not
know
going
my
to listen to what
rights.
I'm saying.
Because what you're trying to do is impede upon my rights.
You can just tell me no if you want to have
I
an
just
opening
told
conversation.
you, I'm not going to tell you
Okay.
anything. Because I
Would
have
you
that
like my
right.
card so you can contact me?
No, I'm not going to contact you either.
Okay.
Because listen, none
Then
of you,
I will be back out
and no
after
disrespect
I
to you.
speak with
You
the
feel what I'm
DA's
saying?
office,
Hear
okay?
me on this. No disrespect
And
to
I'm
you.
not trying to disrespect
But you are by even trying to take it
I'm
further.
doing my job in making sure your child is safe.
You're
because
not
I've
doing
seen
your
the videos.
job. You're not doing
I
your
saw
job.
the video of the ring camera.
Yeah, I know. I hear
Okay.
you. It's sitting up here. I
concerning.
know.
Do you not agree
yeah,
that that's concerning?
And that's why I'm taking care of the responsibility of my son.
How are you doing
Excuse
that?
me.
How are
Excuse
you
me.
doing that?
Excuse me.
Okay.
Excuse me. So now, for the protection of our family, we would like to keep it within the business of our family
And
and
that-
those that we have not told and informed. I don't have to tell you anything. And if you step into the further realm, I will have to sue you, to say the least.
I have to. I can't
No,
guarantee that
what you're
child's
telling me,
safety.
what you're telling me is policy by your job. It doesn't trump my rights.
If I believe the child is in danger, then yes, I do
The
have to go
policy
further.
of your job does not trump my rights.
If I believe a
Do
child
you
is in
understand what I'm
danger,
saying to you?
I do. Do you
Do you
understand what I'm
understand?
saying?
Yeah, I know you're lying.
I know
That's what I know.
If
Yeah,
I
because
believe a
your
child is
policy,
unsafe, I have to go further
because
with
the
the level of
policy
intervention.
of your job is making you screw
This-
people over.
It's by the state. I have
Yeah, I
state
know.
policy.
I know. That's the point. But it's a confliction because you swore to the Constitution. Yeah, that's how you get your seat, by filling out the oath of office. So you're telling me you didn't fill that out?
We don't fill out no form.
Woo! You're a public servant and you didn't fill out an oath of office?
I am a state agent.
A state
And I
agent is a
follow the
public
policy.
servant.
I follow the policy
Who's the director
of what?
of your department?
Of human services or of child welfare?
Who you work for? Who's the director? Who's
I
the
work
head?
for the Oklahoma Department of Human Services.
Who's the director? The person.
The child welfare director, the department director. Those are different people.
Put that on paper for me. Give me both names of those people.
You've already been in she's been in contact with them before.
That
Director
has nothing
Brown
to do with what I'm
and Deb
asking for
Shropshire.
right now.
Director Brown, Deb Shropshire.
Please put their names and whatever contact information on a
You
piece
can
of
find
paper
it
or a
online.
card. So
Yeah,
you're
I don't
willing
know.
to
We
give
don't
me a
have-
I don't
business
have
card,
their contact information.
but now you don't have the information of the people
I
who
have
are
their
ahead of
names.
you.
I have their
Okay,
names.
so can you put their names down on a piece of paper and give it to me?
Sure.
Yeah, no, I'm not letting you pry into the life of my family. You don't even care.
I have to. If there's
No, you
child-
don't
I do
have
care.
to. That's not true.
Because honestly, let me explain this to you.
No, okay, I'm gonna listen
you
to
gonna
you.
listen,
I'm
or-
gonna listen
okay.
and oblige you.
If we were going to sit down and talk, and you guys were able to tell me your game plan for him, discuss, hey, we understand this is a problem. This is what we're going to do moving forward to keep him safe. I can work with that. I can go, okay, they're taking steps to make sure that their son is not a harm to himself or the other children in their home. They're doing what they need to. We walk away. We're
So then that's what we're doing.
But you haven't been. So
I
wanna
have
know,
been.
because
That's
I
what
took
you're.
more
you're
medication
that's
last
what you're
time.
wrong about. That's what you're wrong about.
Okay, what
I
did
have
you do
been.
last time to help protect from this? Because this isn't the first time he's had an episode.
You're exactly right. My son has been damaged from abuse.
Okay, so
My
how
son has
are we
been physically
correcting it?
abused by his mother
So how are you
for
guys
11
correcting
years.
it?
So now what
It's
you're
being
doing is
counseling.
really disrespecting our entire family. That's
I
what you're doing.
understand trauma is a part of
That's
this.
what you're doing.
I'm not
That
saying,
is exactly what you're doing.
I'm not
and
saying-
God damn it, it's unfortunate that you're standing here and you're following this policy that has you invading my family. I don't have
not
to tell you
saying-
what we're doing. That's the privacy of us.
But if
and
I
we want
can't
to keep
guarantee
it.
the child safety,
You
then I
can't
have to
guarantee
move forward.
anything for anybody. You can't guarantee that you'll be able to get
I
in
have
that
to be able to
car
go in front
and
of a
drive
judge.
safely. You could actually get hit by someone. So don't stand here and talk about guarantee. I know the
I have to
scripts.
be able to go in front of a
I
judge
know the scripts that you people
and
have to
tell
say.
him, yes, I feel this child
No,
is safe
you
at
don't
home.
have to do that.
Yes, I do.
No,
I have
you
to be able
don't.
to submit my report and say,
No.
yes, I believe the child is safe
What
at
you're
home.
telling me that
if
you're
I
doing
can't do
is
that, we have to
invading.
intervene further.
What you're telling me you're doing is intervening into the rights and privacies of my family. That's what you're telling me you're doing.
That's unfortunately what happens when I
Yeah,
have
that's
a
not
referral.
unfortunate.
I have to know
You
what's
don't
going
have
on.
to do that. That's the point. My
Well,
son,
they're not gonna-
right now, my son is currently in a location where he's getting the help that he needs.
Yes,
and
I
that's
understand
that.
that.
All right, so
but
that's
my
that.
thing is, when he comes home, how are we going to keep
That's
that going?
that. My thing is that's what we're going to continue to do, and I don't
So
have to
you're gonna keep
disclose
him on
that to you.
medication?
I don't have to disclose any of that information to you.
Okay, well, if you're not going to cooperate, then I will contact who I need to, and we'll go from there, okay?
And just to let you know, he was spoken to at where he's at right now. A DHS worker did go out and speak with him
Right.
and complete.
Without his parent there.
We don't
Without
have
his
to
father
have
there.
that.
Yes, you do.
We do
That's
not.
my son.
By policy,
That's my
we do
son,
not have
correct?
It is.
Do
but
you
we're just letting
understand? So
know.
you see how you're violating my rights?
It's not a
It's
violation.
It is.
Right.
It is. Because you go talk to a minor. There's no difference from a stranger
Yeah, permission
approaching a
for
trial.
people. He was
No,
being careful.
no, sorry. I give permission. I give permission. That's my son.
They allow
Yes,
us to
that
speak
is
to him, then we
necessary.
can go speak
That
to him.
is necessary. You should have called me first and gotten my
That's not our
request.
policy.
By
That-
policy, we speak
the
to the child
policy is business. It's not law.
That's
Your
what
policy
we-
is not law.
That's what we
Your
follow.
policy is not law.
Right. I will be in
Your
contact.
policy is
I'll
not
be in
law.
contact with you later.